Picture this: your heart, a tireless warrior, pumping away day in and day out, ensuring you stay alive and kicking. It's easy to take for granted, isn't it? But just like any hero, your heart needs the right fuel to keep fighting the good fight. That's where the magic of heart-healthy foods comes in. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Incorporating certain foods into your diet can help your heart stay strong and bring a little joy to your taste buds. So, let's dive into the delicious world of heart health with these 7 powerhouse foods that love your heart as much as you do. 1. Oats, the breakfast hero. Oats are like the Superman of breakfast foods. They're packed with soluble fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels by pulling that bad cholesterol, LDL, out of your bloodstream. Starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal isn't just comforting. It's a simple, tasty way to give your heart a healthy boost. Top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey, and you've got yourself a heart-healthy treat that's hard to beat. 2. Salmon, the omega-3 superstar. Salmon is one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are heart health's best friend. These healthy fats help lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy. Plus, salmon is delicious and versatile. Whether you like it grilled, baked, or smoked, incorporating this fish into your diet a couple of times a week can do wonders for your heart. 3. Avocados, creamy green goodness. Avocados are not just trendy, they're packed with monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol, HDL. They also contain potassium, which is essential for controlling blood pressure. Whether you spread it on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or slice it into a salad, avocados are a creamy, delicious way to show your heart some love. 4. Nuts, nature's crunchy snack. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and even improve blood vessel function. A small handful of nuts a day can be a crunchy, satisfying snack. The evidence shows that eating around 15 grams of nuts and seeds per day decreases the risk of coronary heart disease by around 20%. Remember that adding salt or sugar to nuts may cancel out their heart-healthy benefits. Just remember, moderation is key. While nuts are nutritious, they're also calorie-dense. 5. Berries, tiny but mighty. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Berries are little powerhouses of nutrients. They're loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 big contributors to heart disease. Plus, they're low in calories and high in flavor. Toss them on your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them as a sweet snack. Eating more berries is a tasty way to protect your heart. 6. Dark chocolate, the delightful treat. Yes, you read that right. Chocolate can be good for your heart. But we're not talking about any old candy bar. Dark chocolate, specifically with 70% or higher cocoa content, is rich in flavonoids that help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Just a small square can be a delightful way to indulge your sweet tooth while keeping your heart in mind. Remember, moderation is key. 7. Leafy greens, the nutrient powerhouses. Kale, spinach, and other leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're particularly rich in vitamin K, which helps protect your arteries and promote proper blood clotting. Leafy greens are also a great source of nitrates, which can reduce blood pressure and improve arterial function. Whether you enjoy them in a salad, sautéed, or blended into a green smoothie, and there you have it, 10 delicious and nutritious foods that can keep your heart in tip-top shape. By incorporating these heart-loving heroes into your diet, you're not just feeding your body, you're fueling your heart with the best nature has to offer. Remember, taking care of your heart doesn't have to be complicated or boring. It can be as simple and joyful as savoring a piece of dark chocolate or enjoying a bowl of fresh berries. So, why not make every bite count? Your heart deserves the best, and with these foods, you're giving it just that, a delicious way to stay strong and healthy for all the adventures that life has in store. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more healthy tips for a healthy life. Remember that your health is your wealth.